What's up? What's up? It is Sean Ali here from the affiliateprofitmethod.com. And today, check this out. Today, April 20th, I will refresh my screen. This is a YouTube ads account that I have running right now. And you can see so far today, April 20th, I have spent $1,500. And my cost per purchase, my CPA for today is at $28. More important is that I've spent $1,500 today, and I'm at $6,000 in gross sales. Huge profits. This is what you're going to learn inside of the Affiliate Profit Method, the YouTube course. So get super excited because I'm about to show you behind the scenes how I'm generating $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 a day in profits every day during any type of crisis, corona, whatever you want to call it. It doesn't matter. Now is the time to learn this, study this, become an expert. I'll see you inside the course. Sean Ali signing out. Okay, so I know by now that you see the amount of results I've been showing you so far on my screen, but now it's time for you to experience these results on your screen in your accounts. All right, so last but not least, yesterday, April 21st, if I refresh my screen here, April 21st, I spent $3,800. This is just yesterday, by the way. By the way, you got to get inside of this full course, the YouTube Affiliate Profits. It's very easy for you to do. You should watch the next video. You'll see a little pop-up on your screen that says buy now. Make a purchase, order the program. You see already what results I'm generating for myself and for my clients. It's time for you to experience this also. Yesterday, we spent $3,800. And guess how much we made back in revenue, in gross revenue. So you can see yesterday, more specifically, we had a $28 cost per conversion. So we're getting the purchases for $28, spent $3,000 in total. And, you know, truthfully, my friend, I'm so excited for you to get your hands on this entire YouTube Affiliate Profits course when you order the full program, because I want to hear your testimonial. I want to see you succeed with this information. I want you to become my next success story. I want you to join my success community. Imagine what that will be like for you when you get to get mentored by one of the industry's leaders right now in 2020. So I'm excited for you. $3,800 spent yesterday, and yesterday, April 21. Let's refresh this so you know it's not a screenshot. So yeah, yesterday, April 21, $12,000 in gross sales. So this is what you're going to be experiencing. Of course, I'm not guaranteeing any income. Sometimes people make no money. Sometimes people make more money than me. It just depends on you. All I know for sure is that once you get access to this full YouTube affiliates program right now, today, you're going to be on your way. You're going to be so excited, and you're going to join us in the community. So once we see you succeeding, we can reach out to you. We can lift you up even more. We can help to coach you and mentor you even more to start getting numbers like this, seeing numbers like this potentially. And that's really it. So the entire course is already ready. As you can see, you're already in it. All you got to do is unlock the full course, and we'll continue this journey together. So let's keep it going.